Yo, this is one of the greatest health secret you ever go find. Me do part one, and I go do part two. Me I do a continuation. You know, so the other day, me I feel one pain where they move from my right side of my body round and my back to the left side. And me tell you, when me feel pain like those, me happy. Why? Because the problem with pain in your body, like the indicator of a car when something is going wrong, you see it pop up in the dashboard, is this. Your body is giving you an indicator that something is going wrong. But when pain is moving, it's not so dangerous. When the problem dangerous or when the pain stuck one place in your body, you have to worry because one of your organ is being under pressure. And that may be very, very destructive. But listen to me. Gas pain. A lot of people think that gas pain caused by the lack of eating. No, my friend. Gas pain caused by one, you're eating you're eating after the shutter go down. What is the shutter? The sun. Because by right, we're supposed to start eat when the sun rise, and when the sun go down, we're supposed to shut off eating. What really happen is this: when you eat after the sun go down, you put your liver and kidney and other organs, your stomach, under heavy work. So what now? Through you lie down, the gas they got to and from. Because remember, we have a fermented stomach. Because we have long intestine, we have long intestine. How we go again? One of them. Animals have short intestine because they have decomposing stomach. They were created to eat meat, while we have the other intestine, which is fermented intestine. So through food, they fermentate inside of you. If you know the chemical formula for fermentation, it release gas, which is oxygen. So naturally, your body will release this here and want to move. That's why you hear people eat a lot of night time. You hear them wake up with this big fart. Brrr. Like a Chuck Jakes. Not true? Right. So the health secret what I'm telling you about is this. Try your best for the tea. Teas, healthy teas. Like for me, dandelion tea or me do chocolate. And you know, say me milk, a coconut milk. Cheapest and the best. Because if you eat after 6, you go put your body on a work. Enough people don't know say digestion really takes 6 to 8 hours. No matter what, no bio book tell you. Everybody a liar. So therefore, work with the shutter of the sun. You can start eat from 6 and don't eat past 6. Some people go up to 8, but some really overdo it and go all the way at 9, 10, 11. Brother, meanwhile you're sleeping, your body is still up working. That's why your body full up of so much gas. So guess what me do? Me realize say gas move from left to right. Because guess what? I'm a victim. Me tell you, I'm not perfect, I'm not perfect. Me eat 85% good and 15% garbage. Therefore, my body I true experiment because on the Egyptian wall and tell you, the greatest knowledge that ever exists on the planet is knowing thyself. So my experiment with my body and my health mistakes that I make, I bring it to the forefront and I tell people what they should not do and what they should do because I have experienced it. So work with the shutter of the sun. You eat on the rise of the sun and you shut off eating when the shutter of the sun goes down. And remember me tell you, no shape will be better than yours. Honestly, because naturally you will go through fasting every single night while sleeping. Naturally, you will be practicing intermediate fast without even trying, because you need an empty stomach so that the enzymes that can kill even cancer cell in your mouth, there's a bacteria where every morning you're supposed to drink local water to make it go down. Toothpaste kill this bacteria. The fake fluoride with the aluminum, which go to the back of your nervous system where all the disease-causing agent go and hide. That's why sometimes when you try to help yourself, these worms can hide away from you. And you wonder how you do deworming. Yet, worms are boring your organs. People with stomach pain. Most of them are trying to eat pork. You know, I'll go end the video here. But look out for part 3. Just say part 3 and me give you more. You understand? But These secrets need to come out because I am the true technology. I am the true experiment. And I and you is no different. There is only one me. And this me is called the universe. And it's spelled Y-O-U-N-I. Y-O-U-I-N verse. It's the you and I. We're all one. You hear? Peace and light. Big up.